HSGQ to 10DW is the most popular dual-band ONU in our HSGQ, almost have 35% sales share in the dual-band part. It offers 2 LAN port and 1 voice port, can be deployed to triple PHY solution. This model is the most cost-effective in the dual-band for the triple PHY solution. This ONU is mainly used for bandwidth more than 100 megabits per second and have requirement to the Wi-Fi speed. Nowadays, the dual-band Wi-Fi is a very common demand in most of the market. That's why this model will be the most popular.